Yes. Students, now we will solve the balance sheet. To solve the balance sheet, once again, you have to write this, right? Balance sheet as on 31/3/2018. Remember, your income and expenditure and the balance sheet dates should be same. Yes. So, this is 31 2018. So, 31 2018. Yes. Okay. Now, to write the balance sheet, you will see your opening balance sheet, what you have already calculated, right? This you will keep it as base. So liability amount you have written, first year is what? Capital fund, 36,550. The same amount you copy and write here. Write here, capital fund. What's the amount? Yes, 36,550. Capital fund is there. See, I've always told you have to capital fund, you have to add your surplus. Which surplus? This which you have calculated now, 23,000. Add it. 23,000. See, if there is entrance fees, donation, life membership fees, you have to add here. Is there anything given? Entrance fees, donation, life membership fees? No, nothing is given, so there is nothing to add. So these both items you add, when you add this both, you will get 59,550. Fine? Yes. Next one, what will come here? Always I have told, subscription received in advance is your current liability. Subscription received in advance. Which is the amount? See here, subscription idu 2019 idu 500 is your liability. Because it is of the next year and you have taken it now only. So you are liable now. Yes. Then salary outstanding. Salary is your expenditure. So outstanding expenses will be your current liability. I'm repeating once again. Salary is your expenses. Outstanding expenses will always become your current liability. So salary outstanding rupees 600. Copy and write. Fine. So liability only so many items. First, what did I do? Capital fund 36,550. You have added the surplus. Then subscription received in advance 500. Then salary outstanding. Yes. Now we will write the assets. To write the assets, yes, we will see your opening balance sheet. See, first is furniture 12,000. As it is, copy and write here. Furniture, inner column I'm writing here 12,000. Fine. Yes. Regarding furniture, what information is given in the question? That is receipt sides here. Sale of old furniture. See, of course, we have done your adjustment, loss on sale of furniture. Profit or loss we have calculated. It came loss, so we have written here in the expenditure side. If it was profit, we would have written here in the income side. But it was loss. But since the part was sold, that is for that book value 5,000, you have to deduct it. Andre 12,000 furniture you had, and when you are selling, some part is gone, right? So you have to deduct. Now that you're writing your assets, just imagine 12,000 asset, maybe a furniture you had, maybe chairs of 12,000. You have sold. So when you sell, some part will go to the other party. So your asset will become less. I'm writing here 5,000. See, in the sale there are two amounts given, 5,000 and 3,700. But we have to take here 5,000 only because this is the book value. 3,700 is market value. It was sold. It was the market value price. But we have to take always the book value. Remember students, please write it a note as somewhere. Yes, that is this much 5,000, your market value, it was sold. So it will be less. Now your furniture is reduced. See, balance sheet assets you are writing is what? How much asset you have right now. That is for the year 2018, how much assets you are having. Actually, you had 12,000, but you have sold 5,000. So now it is 7,000. But in that, see the question what it said? Furniture purchased. And again you have purchased furniture of 10,500. That means your asset is increasing when you have purchased. So add purchase 10,500. So total your assets you have now furniture, that is 17,500. Yes. So I hope you understood. Once again I will explain you. Furniture, it is the opening balance sheet furniture amount 12,000 you have written. Fine. Less book value of old furniture. What is this less book value old furniture sold? This is the sold. If you want, you please write here, okay? Sold you write. That means when you are selling, just imagine you at home you had your furniture of 12,000. You are selling. That means some of your furniture will go from your house, right? So asset has come down. So why I'm taking 5,000 and not 3,700? Because 3,700 is the market price and 5,000 is the book value. This amount you have to take. Yes, so furniture is done. Next, what it is there in the opening balance sheet is books to 5,000. As it is right here. Books, how much value? That is 5,000. Check the question. Books related any information is there? Yes. Books 7,000 again was purchased. Yes, books purchased. So add purchase, you do 7,000. That will give you 12,000. Yes. Okay. Next one, what you have to write? Cash or bank. Yes, right here. Cash or bank you will write, but the amount you will always take your carry down 11,200. That is 11,200. Fine. Yes. Next one, what you're going to write, always remember this fixed deposit, FD. Fixed deposit